Okay, how are you? This is Teacher Caleb on YouTube. Today I want us to look at a pure math lesson, that's pure one, under Cambridge. Our topic today will be functions, and we'll be looking at composite functions. Now, I have a question here that I want us to solve together. It says that f of x equals to ax plus b for all values of x, or real values of x, given that f of 5 is equals to 3 and f of 3 equals to negative 3. Question A says find the value of a and the value of b. Then question B says solve the equation f of x equals to 4. Now our equation, okay, let's go now to the solution. These are solution step. So here let's write our equation first. It says f of x equals to ax plus b. Then we have the values given, where f of 5 equals to 3, and also we have f of 3, which will give us negative 3. Now these values here, we call them a domain. So what you do here, we substitute where there's x in our equation or in our function with 5. Now we say 5 multiplied by a plus b should give us 3. Then equation 2, now we have, okay, we can just solve this equation. So we remove the bracket by saying now 5a plus b equals to 3, and this now will serve as our equation 1, because from this equation here, or from this equation, we'll get two simultaneous equation, or we'll get a simultaneous equation. Now let's substitute also f of 3. Now we have to form a second equation. Now we have ax multiplied by 3 should give us plus b plus b should give us negative 3. Then from there, now we open the bracket. Now we get 3a plus b equals to negative 3. Now this one will serve as our second equation. Then now, as you can see, when you combine those two equations together, we'll have a simultaneous equation, where now we write them by saying 5a plus b should give us 3. Then 3a plus b should give us negative 3. Definitely these are two simultaneous equations. We can just solve them easily by using elimination method. Definitely eliminating these, it's easy when you do subtraction. So you subtract everything. So here 3 subtract negative 3 would get 6. Then this one will cancel out because we'll get a 0 there. Then 5a minus 3a would get 2a. So here it means now we have 2a equals to 6 divided by 2 divided by 2. Now our a here is 3. So that's the value of a. Okay, now let's choose one equation so that we get the value of b. We can choose even the first equation. So the first equation was 5a plus b equals to 3, and our a here, we got our a as 3. So we substitute, we take 5 multiplied by 3 plus b should give us 3 as well. Then from here, we now say 15 plus b equals to 3. Then our b becomes 3 minus 15, which now our b will be negative 12. So now we've got our a as 3, then our b as negative 12. So we come and substitute to our original equation. So now we say our original equation is f of x equals to our a, which is 3. So we say 3x minus our b, which is 12. So this is the original function that we are supposed to get, or this is how to solve the first part of the question, where it says find the value of a and b. So this is our equation. Our a is 3, then our b is negative 12. Okay, this is part A. Now let's go to part B. In part B, we are being told now that we solve the equation f of x, which is equals to 4. Now we have f of x equals to 4. Okay, so in this case here, our original equation was, or is, f of x equals to 3x minus 12. Then I'm being asked to find f of 12. So in this case, it's just a self function. So here we now say 3 into 3x minus 12, then minus 12 equals to 4. Then from here now we can decide to open the bracket, then you say 9x minus 36 minus 12 should give us 4. Then from here we can collect like terms, definitely, where we have now 9x minus 48 equals to 4. Then from here the 48 will go forward, so we have 9x equals to 4 plus 48, then our 9x equals to 52. So here we divide everything by 9, we divide everything by 9. So here it means now the value of x here is you can simplify it by saying it's 4, not 4 really, 5. 5, what's the remainder from 45? We have 7 over 9, and this one will serve as the value of x. So in this case, when you look at this question, we've solved, well, first of all we found the value of a by using the simultaneous equation. Then we have the composite function, that's the part B. We talked about composite functions, where now after finding the equation in part A, which is this one now, the equation was this one. Then from the equation now we did the composite part of the function, where it was f of f, which is equivalent to 4. Then from here now we went ahead and got our value of x as 5 whole number 7 over 9. Thank you so much, and let's be tuned in our next lesson.